Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. During summers and rainy season, mosquitoes and flies are a big problem. And I have personally tried a lot of products, but most of them are pretty useless or not safe to use indoors. And today in this video, we will show you a unique product from Xiaomi which will help you a lot. So here is the Xiaomi Cactus Mosquito Killer. The box packaging is simple and you have the product name and picture here in the front, and then some specification at the back. Now let's open the box and see the content. So on the top we have the user guide, and here is the product itself. Xiaomi Cactus Mosquito Killer, as the name suggests, looks like a cactus. The product quality is good and I find the material used here is of really good quality. Even though it's a budget product, still there is no compromise in the quality. Design wise, you have a 360 degrees UV light on the top in the cactus shape housing, and then we have this compartment here which has the fan, and then you also have this storage box at the bottom which will collect the mosquitoes and flies. In terms of functionality, the 360 degrees UV light attracts the mosquitoes, and as soon as mosquitoes fly near the light, it will suck into the mosquito storage compartment, and that is due to the airflow generated by the fan. In terms of physical overview, you have a power on and off switch on the top, and here is a micro USB charging port at the back. You also get the micro USB cable inside the box. The best thing about this product is that you can use it with the power bank as well. In terms of usage, I purchased one of these almost a month back and I was surprised how good it works. So I ordered one more and also suggested this device to few of my friends, and they also find it pretty useful. Now about my personal experience, I've been using it for my outdoor trips, as you can use it with the power bank as well, and this device didn't disappoint me even once. There is no smoke, fumes or smell, and the fan noise is also pretty low. The only problem I can think of is that it works best during night time, as in the daytime the UV light is not that strong. But during night time, sometimes I felt that the light is too bright, and if you're one of those who like pitch black while sleeping, then this product is not for you. The light is not really that strong, but for comparison it's similar to a 0-watt bulb. Overall, I really like the design of it, and most importantly, this device just works. You will not face any issue of fume, smell and odor, and you can use it anywhere in your house. It's really easy to use, just place it anywhere in the house, and whenever you want to clean the box, just open the mosquito storage box at the bottom and clean it. You can also wash it to avoid any bacterial issues. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a mosquito killer for your indoor and outdoor usage, then we definitely recommend the Xiaomi Cactus Mosquito Killer. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Cactus Mosquito Killer. Let us know if you like this gadget, and also if you want to see more unique gadgets like this, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.